In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start Shopify dropshipping in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're completely new to e-commerce or looking for a way to streamline your dropshipping business, this guide will take you step by step through the process of setting up a Shopify dropshipping store swiftly and efficiently. Let's dive straight in. First, you'll want to head over to Shopify's website. It's the platform where all the magic happens and where you'll be setting up your very own online store. Once you're on the site, look for the login button. Click on that as it's your gateway to enter into the Shopify universe. After clicking login, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. This should be an email you frequently use, as Shopify will send important information regarding your store to this address. Fill it in and move on to the next step, which involves inputting your password. Type it carefully, then hit the login button to proceed. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard of your Shopify account. From here, you're going to look for the online store section. This is where the setup of your storefront begins. Click on it to open up the various options available for customizing your store. Choosing a theme that resonates with your brand image is crucial. Shopify offers a variety of free themes, so take some time browsing through them. Once you find one that catches your eye, select Try Theme. This allows you to preview how your store will look with the chosen theme without making any permanent changes just yet. Now, to add products to your store, head over to the Apps section. Shopify integrates with many different apps, but for dropshipping, you'll want to specifically look for all recommended apps. From there, find your way to the Shopify App Store, which offers a plethora of apps designed to facilitate dropshipping. Within the Shopify App Store, search for a dropshipping app. There are several excellent options, but for beginners, an app like DS's is highly recommended. It's known for its user-friendly interface and efficient integration with AliExpress, providing access to a wide range of products. When you find the DS's app, click on Install to add it to your Shopify store. The next step involves choosing products for your store, which is where DS's comes into play. Navigate to DS's and use its Find Products feature. Spend some time exploring the different products available until you find something that fits your store's niche or theme. When you've made your decision, add the chosen product as to your Shopify store. With products now added, it's time to customize the look of your store even further. Go back to the online store section and select Customize. This opens up Shopify's theme editor, where you can tweak layouts, colors, fonts, and more to match your brand's aesthetic. Make sure to preview your changes and ensure everything looks exactly how you want it before saving. Under Theme Settings, you'll find options to adjust various aspects of your theme, offering you the capability to fine-tune details like social media links, checkout settings, and more. Adjust these settings to optimize the customer experience on your store. Lastly, it's crucial to set up payment providers and configure your shipping and delivery settings under the Settings menu. This ensures that you're ready to accept payments and fulfill orders as they come. Additionally, consider adding a custom domain to your Shopify store to enhance its professionalism and make it easy for customers to find you. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have gone from zero to having a fully operational Shopify dropshipping store. Remember, the key to success in dropshipping lies not just in setup, but also in consistent marketing, excellent customer service, and continually optimizing your store based on performance metrics and customer feedback. Thanks for watching, and here's to the success of your Shopify dropshipping venture.